Hi everybody, happy Thursday. Today we're going to be working on our IEP goals. So let's go ahead and open our student IEP bundle. You should see the calendar. It looks like this. At the very top it says Home Practice Student Bundle IEP Goals. So today is Thursday and we are working on pictures that belong together, and it'll be page 22. So I'll give you a few seconds so you can get the bundle. Okay, let's go ahead and continue. Let's look for page 22. So we are here on page 22. Let's read the instructions. It says circle the 3 pictures that belong together in each row. So it's asking you to circle the pictures that belong to the same category. Let's look at the first picture, boys and girls. Number 1, you have a baseball, you have the glove, this is a banana, and there is a bat. So let's go ahead and circle the pictures that belong together in each row. In this row, we know we are talking about baseball. So we would circle the baseball, you would circle the glove, and you would circle the bat. And the bat. So those 3 items need to be circled because those 3 items belong together. Let's go ahead and look at item number 2. So, picture number 1 is a star. Picture number 2 is a bat. Picture number 3 is a bird. Picture number 4 is a bee. So, let's go ahead and see which ones belong together. So these 3 are insects and animals and they fly. So those belong together. So you would circle the bat, you would circle the bird, and you would circle the bee. Let's look at the 3rd row, boys and girls. Let's look at the 3rd row. Here we have a cactus, we have a monkey, we have a dog, and we have a tiger. So let's go ahead and see which ones belong together. These 3 are animals. So they belong together in the row. We would circle the tiger, circle the dog, and circle the monkey. So go ahead and work on the last 2 rows. Remember, we're looking for pictures that belong together in each row. When you are done, please upload your picture to our Teams app. Thank you for working hard, boys and girls.